This is one of the biggest voluntary sector conferences now. You've got over 1,000 people here, and you can just feel the energy and enthusiasm there is in the room.
Wedi clywed lot am y gwaith sydd yn cymryd lle yn y sector gwirfoddoli yma yng Nghymru, ac hefyd wedi gweld lawnsiad weledigaeth gwirfoddoli newydd.
Today marks an important departure point for the progressive development of volunteering in Wales.
It's a fantastic day organised by WCVA. I'm hoping to collaborate with many people from the third sector and see how we can make Wales a better place for the young people that we support.
You only need one connection to move you to the next level of your life, to push your business, push your charity, push your community to the level that you required to attain more funding.
There's a real place as well to bring colleagues together just without an agenda, when people are just kicking ideas around together, sharing experiences, learning from each other, because I think that's where the innovation happens.
We will be here next year and the year after because we love it.